Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
How to create a GIF without Photoshop. GIF's GIF Maker. Giphy, the company with the world's largest library of animated GIFs, now offers a GIF maker that is free and so much fun to use. GIFs.com. Imagers Video to GIF. Boomerang for Instagram. Licecap. The 8th of February 2017.
Make your mark, take our lead.
How to convert to GIF. Upload your image file. Create an animated GIF by uploading a video. Change the image size and quality, add a color filter, and even crop parts of the image, optional. Start the conversion process by clicking on the According button.
Let's help you make your mark.
Giphy Cam. Our award for Best GIF Maker app for Android goes to Giphy Cam. Not only is the user experience super slick on Android, but it has unmatched customization options. Add colorful text and then animate that text so it moves on screen.
Let's help you make your mark.
While Android owners can certainly use Giphy, there are other apps available from the Play Store you can use to make GIFs. We recommend GIF Maker, GIF Editor, Video Maker, Video to GIF for all your GIF needs. 15 February 2020.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.